So this is how it really looks like. The screen is about 6.09 inches. And hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will have an unboxing of Huawei Y6 Pro 2019. So this Huawei Y6 Pro is 3GB of RAM and 32GB internal storage. So this Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 is available in midnight black and sapphire blue. The price is 6,990 pesos. It is released just this year, February 2019. So let's start. So this is how the box looks like. So here in front, you will see the picture of the phone. If you notice, it has a notch here. It is a dewdrop notch. So there, it is written that it is 3GB and 32GB internal storage. So on this side of the box, you will see the logo of Huawei. On this side is Huawei Y6 Pro 2019. So let's unbox it. When you unbox it, you will see, of course, the phone. If you notice, it has a glass front and it has a plastic body. So this one is sapphire blue. So let me check what are the other stuffs inside this box. So here it comes with this booklet. This is actually instruction. So here, the other one is a booklet for its warranty. This is Huawei warranty card. There. Then you will see here this pin. This one. Then it comes with a charger. This is the charger. This is its cord. Then if you're gonna open this, you will see here a headset. So this phone is available in two colors, the midnight black and sapphire blue. This one is sapphire blue. So although it is actually plastic, I see that it's very elegant because as you notice, it's glittery. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this plastic for me to show you its body. So this is how it really looks like. The screen is about 6.09 inches. So this is how the camera looks like. It has two. So it has LED flash and of course the other one is for panorama. This is 13 megapixel. In front is an 8 megapixel selfie camera. It also has an LED flash. Open this one, so let me show you how it looks like when the screen is open. So this is how it looks like when the screen is open. It's very easy to use. So there. Since it is 32GB internal storage, let me check the storage including the applications it has. Okay. The used storage is only 6.71GB. The rest are still available. So there. By the way, the storage is expandable. You can put a micro SD and you can expand it up to 512 GB. So this is dual SIM. The operating system is Android 9.0. The chipset is MediaTek MT6761. CPU is quad-core, 2.0 GHz, and the GPU is PowerVR. The battery is non-removable. This phone is a very wonderful phone. So this is Huawei Y6 Pro 2019. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and see you on my next vlog. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell. See you on my next vlog. Bye!